Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can see if a site is WordPress on WordPress.com. So let's get right into it. Now, what you need to do is first go to a site and then we can start testing. So I'm just going to visit my own site. And as you can see, currently I'm on my own site. So let's see how we can find it out. Now, I'll just close this and accept this, and for some reason I can't see it, but the first method should be available to you if the site is fully active and it has a footer. So let me just try and add a footer that might enable me to show you guys. Pretty much at the very bottom of any page, you should see powered by WordPress, and then that will show you if the site is WordPress or not. So let's just add a footer, and now, as you can see, designed with WordPress is here at the bottom in the footer. And if we save this and go to the page view, we will be able to see how that looks. So as you can see, designed with WordPress, and that is pretty much how you get your information. Another thing you can also do, right click and inspect element, and here you can search for some WordPress material. So WordPress, as you can see, it has WordPress in the source code of the site or in the HTML code, and wherever you find WordPress, you will be able to see if it is WordPress or not. So let's check the next one. As you can see, it is currently in the link as well, and it has other WordPress clues over there as well, and that is pretty much it. Now, another thing you can do, go to your link at the top and type /WP admin or dash admin if you are within the site that you want to test. Just add /WP admin at the top if you want to test it. And if it takes you to this, you're probably the site owner, but it's going to tell you that you do not have the adequate permissions to go here. And if you don't have the permissions, instead of getting a 404, then you know the site is WordPress. You can also use online tools or other online plugins. However, this is the 3 best ways that you can do this to find out if it is WordPress. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.